Google Docs is great, but because it typically requires an internet connection to use, getting things done when you're offline can be challenging. If you're using Google Chrome, an official extension named Google Docs Offline changes that. For you to install, click on the menu from the left. Click on Settings. On the Settings, change to On the Offline settings. You'll get an alert that you need to install an extension. Click on Install. Here, press on Add to Chrome. After the install, try another time to change to On the offline settings. This time will work. You will need to select what documents you will be able to edit offline. You can do this by clicking the three dot menu on a document. After this, click on Available Offline. This will make the document available offline for edit. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.